Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can whisper in Twitch application. Keep watching the video till the end. To whisper in Twitch, firstly open your Twitch application. The home page of Twitch application will appear on the screen. Click on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will take you to the whisper page of Twitch. To whisper in Twitch, tap on Whisper Someone. Type in any channel to whom you want to whisper and click on it. This is how you can whisper in Twitch quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.